students. In this class, we discussed on string system of string problems. It's also Vishweshwara Technological University question paper problem. So figure shows system of cables, string all are same. So they are always in tension. There will be a tensile forces in those systems. Cables in equilibrium under two vertical loads of 300 Newton and 500 Newton. So there are two vertical loads in a system of string. So one is 300 Newton, another one is 500 Newton. Determine the forces developed in different segments. So we are having different segments. AB is one segment, BD is other segment, and BC is one more segment, C is last segment. So we are having different segments. We have to determine what are the forces development in those segments because of these loads. So first we have to write the free body diagram. So I already told that if in a system there is a string or cables, we are assuming there is a tensile force. Tensile force means with respect to joint, the force acting away from the joint. So this is the B point. I am going to write the free body diagram B. So this is one segment. So with respect to origin, tensile because string. So I will note this as force T, tension TBA which is equal to TAB, both are same. Force in BA member which is equal to force in AB member. So next, this is also one more segment. So this segment I will take it as TBD or TDB, both are same. TBD and TDB, both are same. And next we are having one more member. So this is TBC which is equals TCB, both are same. TBC equal TCB, both are same. So we are having one more vertical load. So the vertical load is 300 Newton. 300 Newton. This is point B. This is joint B or point B. So here we are having one more joint. So TBC equal TCB with respect to C joint. With respect to C joint, it is also acting away, tensile. So TBC equal TCB, both are same. So you are having one more member. That is TCE which is equal TEC, both are same. And you are having one more load. That load value is 500 Newton. And the angle of inclinations are, this is 60 degree. Here you are having two angle of inclination. One is 45 degree, another one is 30 degree. So this is the free body diagram for the given system of strings. This is very, very simple. All segments are strings. That's why all segments we are assuming as tension with respect to joint acting away. First one TBA, next one TBD, next one TBC. Both are acting away with respect to joint tension. Next consider joint C. So TBC equal TCB, both are same. So TBC and TCE and 500 Newton. Now you just observe which joint B and C. There are two joints. B and C are two joints. Which joint is having less number of forces? So if you consider joint B, you are having 1, 2, 3, 4 forces. If you consider joint C, you are having 1, 2, 3 forces. So we can consider least number of forces. So joint C is having least number of forces compared to joint B. So consider joint C first. Analyze. You are getting unknown values TCE, TBC. Once you got TBC, substitute here, and here you are having 4 forces. Resolve and apply equations of statics. So to determine, the ultimate aim of the problem is to determine unknown member forces. What are unknown member forces? TBA, TBD, TBC, TCE. These are unknown member forces. Now consider joint C. Consider joint C. Now, so this is TCE. One more force. This is TBC, which is equal to TCB, and one more force you are having 500 Newton. The angles, this is 60 degree and 90 degree. Total it will become 90 plus 60, 150 degree. Now you just observe, if this is 30 degree, if this is 30 degree, so draw this, or you can take easily. If this is 30, this value is also 30. So which means this is 30. Right? If this is 30, this is also 30. So TCB, so TBC is 30. 30 and you take this as 90. 90 plus 30?
120.
120. What is the remaining? 360 minus 120 minus 150.
90.
So 90. Over. We can easily apply Lami's theorem. Apply Lami's theorem. By Lami's. So TBC divided by sine of 150, which is equal to 500 divided by sine of angle between other two forces. 500 divided by sine 90, which is equals TBC over TCE divided by sine of angle between other two forces. TCE divided by sine of 120. Now compare these two values. You are getting TBC equals 500 multiplied by sine 150 divided by sine 90. Determine. So you are getting TBC
250.
250 Newton. 250 Newton over. Now compare these two values. You are getting TCE. TCE equals 500 into sine 150 to sine 120 divided by sine 90. How much? Determine.
433.
433. 3 Newton over. That's all. Now we got TBC value. Substitute TBC value. Next, consider joint B. Consider joint B. When you are considering joint B, this is the free body diagram for B. So TBA, TBD, 45 degree, more downward force 300 Newton, and one more load tensile, that is TBC, which is equal to TCB. TBC equal to TCB. TBC value is 250 Newton. 250 Newton, and the angle is 30 degree. Now resolve inclined forces, because we have to apply equations of equilibrium. We cannot apply Lami's theorem because here we are having 4 forces. Lami's theorem is applicable only 3 concurrent forces. Here you are having more than 3. Hence apply equations of statics. So resolve this and resolve this. So with respect to joint, it is acting away. So away, away. This is also acting away, away, away. The value is 250 cos 30. Always inclination angle is cos theta and other one is sin theta. So 250 sin 30. So TBD cos 45. TBD sin 45. So this is joint B. Apply sigma fx equals 0. Sigma fx equals 0. Use regular sign convention. Right side forces are positive, left side forces are negative. How many horizontal forces? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 horizontal forces. Therefore, first one is minus TBA plus TBD cos 45 plus TBD cos 45 plus 250 cos 30 plus 250 cos 30 equals to 0. So you are getting equation, take this as equation number 1 because there are two unknowns. Next you take sigma Fy equals 0, take sigma Fy equals 0, take all upward forces are positive and all downward forces are negative. Total how many forces? 1, 2, 3. So this is plus TBD sin 45 plus TBD sin 45 minus 300 minus 250 sin 30 minus 250 sin 30 equals 0. So we can easily get TBD value. So how to get TBD value? TBD equals 250, to take that side it will become positive, sin 30 plus 300 divided by sin 45. Sin 45 you are getting TBD value. What about TBD value?
601.
601 Newton. 601 Newton. Once we got TBD value, substitute this value to equation number 1. If you are going to substitute this value to equation 1, we are getting TBA. TBA equals TBD value 601. 601 cos 45 plus 250 cos 30. So we are getting TBA. We are getting TBA. So you take this side, it will become positive. Add this to
641.47.
641.47 Newton. So these are unknown forces in segments. First is TBC 250 Newton, TCE 433 Newton, TBD 601 Newton, TBA 641 Newton. This is a very, very important problem and very, very simple problem. You just see the problem. Assume unknown members to be tension because the given is system of cables. So when we are talking about system of cables and string are in tension. So that's why I assume unknown forces. So this is one unknown force, two unknown force, three, four unknown forces. Assume all four unknown members to be tension. So write the free body diagram. Then observe each joint. Consider which is having least number of forces first. So with respect to joint B and with respect to joint C is having only 3 forces. Joint B is having 4 forces. So first consider joint C. See here. Because 3 mutually perpendicular, apply Lami's theorem can be easily applicable. Or else you can do equations of statics, no problem. But I will prefer Lami's theorem because it's very, very easy. So just compute the angles. Apply Lami's theorem, 1 of the force divided by sin of angle between other 2 forces. So we can compare two things easily. We are getting unknown forces. Once we got unknown force, by back substitute here, consider joint B. So TBC is determined in previous step. Substitute that value. Because here we are having more than 3 forces, 4 forces we are having. We cannot apply Lami's theorem. That's why we are using equations of equilibrium. Resolve these forces, apply equations of equilibrium, sigma fx equals 0 and sigma fy equals 0, and solve this. You are getting unknown whatever values required. So these are very easy steps. Thank you.